Hey friend, welcome to English with Nate. I am Nate. In this video, we will discuss two important questions. The first question is, what does critical mean? And the second question we're going to answer is, how do you pronounce the word critical? Critical is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. In this video, we will be discussing four different definitions of the word critical, and I will be providing example sentences for each definition. Definition number one, critical can mean expressing disapproval or judgment. Definition number one, critical can mean expressing disapproval or judgment. The man's critical tone caused many people to stay away. The man's critical tone caused many people to stay away. So the way he expressed himself with his voice, it was judgmental, it showed a lot of disapproval, and that caused people not to want to be around him. Definition number two, critical can mean careful judgment or evaluation. Definition number two, critical can mean careful judgment or evaluation. I want to make a distinction or show a difference between the first definition and this definition. It's not always bad if you make a judgment about something. If you aren't judgy or making yourself look better because of the words you say, that's different than stating fact about what is really happening. Example number two, many graduates lack critical thinking. Many graduates lack critical thinking. And so there are people who graduate from college or university, maybe even high school, who do not know how to analyze and evaluate and make judgments about the information that they have been provided. Hey friend, if you like learning new English words with me, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also write a comment letting me know which words you would like me to make a video about next. Let's practice pronunciation together. I'm going to repeat the word 3 times and pause. During each pause, I want you to repeat after me. Let's begin. Critical. 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 Definition number 3. Critical can mean related to a turning point or an important specific point in time. Definition number 3. Critical can mean related to a turning point or a specific important point in time. Example number 3. The next phase is the most critical of our project. The next phase is the most critical of our project. Now notice how the word critical describes a phase, a specific point in time or a turning point, and it describes the importance of that specific point in time. Definition number 4. Critical can mean indispensable or vital. Critical can mean indispensable or vital. Example number 4. Food and water are critical resources. Food and water are critical resources. They're resources that are required, that are needed for life. They are something that's very, very important. I hope that my videos are critical to your learning experience, that they're indispensable and vital. I continue to make videos like the one suggested here so that you can learn more English words with me. Check out these list of videos and let's keep learning English together.